Hi, this is just a quick video to let you know, as expected, that Affinity is having a Black Friday sale, 50% off of everything. I'm not sure when this is going to be ending, but it's on now, and today I believe it started yesterday, November 20th. So hopefully, if there are any of you who have been interested in the Affinity products, picked up that 6-month free trial, again, check that out. I believe they still have that going on. But again, even if you still have most of that 6-month free trial, it's well worth taking advantage of this price right now, because I don't think it's going to be you're probably not going to see this for a while. And what I would recommend is getting the Affinity 2 Universal license. This is everything. And again, Affinity, if you haven't seen this before, it's an Adobe competitor. It's not quite as robust, but it's a great software, but there's a one-time fee. And the nice thing about the Universal license is Affinity Designer is similar to Adobe's Illustrator, and Affinity Photo 2 is similar to Photoshop, and Affinity Publisher is similar to InDesign. And the good thing about getting this universal license is you can use the software in both the Mac environment and the PC environment, as well as on an iPad. But if you get them separately, you get them. You have to choose: do you want Windows or do you want Mac for each of these? But it's still dirt cheap. It's a one-time fee, and the nice thing about this is you use this software till you can't use it anymore. You buy it. You can do what you want. This is not a monthly fee. This is a one-time fee, or you can just purchase it for the iPad as well at these prices here. Also have these add-ons, so if you're interested in any fonts or brushes or things like that, check these out. There's lots to see here. I do want to mention, if any of you out there are interested in the Adobe products, that they also have a 50% off sale, but this is for the first year. I don't even know how much they cost. Let me see. Believe they're like they have a number of different prices. So let me see offers. All right, so it's normally $60 a month. Now they're going for $30 a month. And that's for the first year. And make sure, if you do sign up for this, if you don't want to pay that $60 a month fee, you need to cancel it ahead of time, because they will charge you. Also, I wanted to mention another bit of software here. And this is something I heard about on Tony and Chelsea Northrup's channel, and it said Adobe is under attack. And what that story is, and I'll leave you a link down below that links you to his channel, and he's basically talking about Pixelmator Pro, or Pixelmator was purchased by Apple. And he says he doesn't really know exactly where they're going, but the nice thing about Pixelmator, is it is a competitive software that is in competition with Photoshop, and Lightroom is also something here. Check out his channel. He goes a bit more into details about it, but this is also something they offer. I believe it's $30 a year, or you can just purchase the software for $50, a one-time fee. And so check it out for the details. I really don't know that much about it, but again, we have Pixelmator and Pixelmator Pro, and he says that this is a possible Photoshop alternative. So there are links to everything that I've mentioned so far below, and none of them are affiliate links. But I also wanted to mention this last thing here is Skillshare. So Skillshare is an online learning community with lots of classes. And here you get a 50% off a 1-year subscription, and that offer expires on December 3rd. So it's only a few days left. I mean, right now as I'm posting this video, it is November 21st, 2024. 50% off right now for the next year if you sign up for it by the December 3rd. And again, an affiliate link for this one is below in the description, and that is because I teach courses there. And I just wanted to let you know what kind of bargains were out there in case you were waiting for those Black Friday deals.